In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create server folders in Discord. If your server list is starting to feel a little crowded, this simple drag and drop trick will help you keep everything neat and easy to find. Start by looking at the left side of your Discord window. That vertical bar is your server list, and each circular icon there represents one of your servers. Make sure you can clearly see at least two servers you want to group together. This works the same in the desktop app and in the browser version of Discord. Now, move your mouse over the first server you want to include in a folder. Click and hold on that server icon. Don't just click once, keep the mouse button pressed so you're actually grabbing it. While still holding, drag the icon toward the other server you want to group it with. As you hover directly over that second server's icon, watch for a small green dot to appear. That green dot is your signal that Discord recognizes you're trying to combine these servers into a folder, not just reorder them. Once you see the green dot, simply let go of the mouse button. When you release, Discord immediately creates a folder containing those two servers. You'll notice the icons stacked together into a single folder slot in your server list, confirming that the folder has been made. That's all there is to it. If you don't see the green dot, pull the icon back slightly and try again a bit more slowly. Make sure you're hovering right over the other server's icon, not the space between icons. Timing matters a little here. The green dot should appear just before you release, so wait for it, then let go. If you accidentally drop the server in the wrong place, don't worry, nothing is deleted. Just pick it up again and try the drag one more time until that green indicator shows up. This method is designed to be quick and intuitive. You're not changing any server settings or permissions. You're simply grouping them for a cleaner, more streamlined sidebar. It's especially helpful if you participate in communities for school, work, games, or hobbies, and want them grouped together for faster access. And that's it. Click and hold a server, drag it onto another server until you see the green dot, and release to create the folder. A few seconds of organizing can make a big difference in how quickly you find what you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your tidier Discord sidebar.